President Duterte has ordered PhilHealth Chief Ricardo Morales to quit from his post. This was revealed by Justice Secretary Menardo Guevarra in a text message on August 25. Guevarra said Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea has talked to Morales. Morales has taken a leave of absence early August amid investigations into PhilHealth's corruption allegations. He has cancer and is undergoing chemotherapy. Morales has denied involvement in any wrongdoing but admitted there is corruption within PhilHealth. Malacanang previously said Duterte will not fire Morales unless there's a clear proof of his involvement in corruption.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.